Hey there, so did you know that the world's largest walking bridge is located right here in New York? And you can easily get to it by car. It's about a 2-hour drive from New York City, has plenty of parking, and really easy to get to. And you honestly don't even have to drive. You can take the train. The Grand Central Terminal train station in New York City will bring you here in less than 2 hours. This is the final line right here in Poughkeepsie, New York. And if you notice right over here, that's the walkway over the Hudson, and that's where we're going. Now, as soon as you walk out of the train station, it's just a short little, I'd say a quarter-mile walk. You walk right out of the train station, you walk straight down the stairs and take this nice little pathway right along the Hudson River. As you can see right here, look, there's the walkway. You can see it. And you can walk right to the, basically, there's 3 ways to get to the walkway. You can get through it from either end, or you can go right down the center. There's a cool elevator that everybody likes to go up. So this elevator will bring you right pretty much to the center, maybe a little closer to the Poughkeepsie side of the walkway. That's where we're going now. The walkway over the Hudson is the longest pedestrian bridge in the world, and it stands over rooftops of the old riverfront town called Poughkeepsie. This bridge crosses the vast Hudson River and touches down on the other side in a town called Highland. There's a nice little park. It's called the Upper Landing Park, where you can walk, check out the Hudson River, see what's going on. There's a lot of people hanging out here. Nice little place with benches. Hang out right before you get to the crazy elevator. Walkway even connects the Hudson Rail Trail on the west side to the Dutchess Rail Trail on the east side. Together, the walkway and both of these trails form a seamless 18-mile paved pathway capturing the beauty of New York's Hudson Valley. Seriously, it's an 18-mile completely paved loop that has amazing views, it's super safe, and I highly recommend if you're into that type of thing. Now, the walkway welcomes more than 6,000 visitors annually from all over the world. It stands more than 212 feet above Hudson River. It's about 1.28 miles across, so if you were to take a round trip, it'll take you a bit less than 3 miles. There are amazing scenic views north to the Catskills and south to the Hudson Highlands. It opened in 1889 as a Poughkeepsie Highland Railroad bridge. In addition to freight trains, the bridge actually hosted a bunch of passenger trains as well. It connected Boston to New York to Harrisburg, Philadelphia, Baltimore, and Washington. And during World War II, the bridge was painted black to make it less visible in an event of an attack. The walkway was rebuilt and reopened in October of 2009 as the Walkway over the Hudson State Historic Park. And while checking out the walkway, make sure to go over to the Poughkeepsie side because it does have a 21-story glass elevator that's really cool and something that you might want to see. If you take the elevator all the way back down, it'll bring you to Upper Landing Park. Now, this elevator is the talk of the town, right? Everybody likes to take this cool little elevator. It's actually not very little. It's pretty cool. It has glass windows, which gives it a nice view over the Hudson right over there. As you can see, there's the elevator. I think it's still going up there. So it's a pretty cool view. So if you're interested in lake heights, this is definitely one of the places you want to check out. Even if you come from the other side, it's not so bad to take the elevator down and check out what's going on at the bottom right by the Hudson River over here. And last final tip, When you come up, you want to make sure you check out Poughkeepsie, Highland, both sides of the river, and the surrounding towns, because they offer so much fun and exciting things. There's tons of food, there's hiking, there's many more places to check out with amazing views. The valley offers a lot of hidden gems and you don't want to miss out. In fact, I've made some videos highlighting some of the best things to do in the Hudson Valley. I will link them for you up top, and make sure to subscribe and stay tuned because I have tons more things coming up you don't want to miss out. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.